Okay guys, I'm going to do one more video and it's going to discuss what these particular minerals are used for. I think I went over what the rest of them were used for. And what we have here is we have magnetite, hematite, and chalcopyrite. These three minerals are what is known as metallic ore. And a metallic ore is a mineral that is mined for a specific metal. So this chalcopyrite is mined for copper, hematite is mined for iron, and magnetite is mined for iron. Mike, let me ask you something. Which one of these do you think has more iron in it? The hematite or the magnetite?
The magnetite.
Why would you think that?
Because iron is magnetic.
Because iron is magnetic, and since magnetite, smoking gun, is that it is attracted to a magnet, we must have more iron in the magnetite than we do in the hematite. That's exactly right. Even though both can be mined for iron, the hematite is more common, but the magnetite is more productive. And that really should be at this time, and move on to your next classes.